Hi, and welcome back to another edition of Oily Time with Jax. This week, we're going to go over 2 drinks, and they're going to include essential oils. Okay, so here's a new twist on an old fave. I'm going to grab my ice cube. I like to use the large ice cubes because it's really good when you pour the liquor over it. It kind of chills the liquor. So I'm going to do 1.5 ounces of Mandarin Vodka and just get that over the ice and pour it in slowly so it kind of chills as it goes into the glass. Then I'm going to fill the rest simply with soda, and I use SodaStream, and there's no salt in my soda. Pour that over the ice slowly. Next up, I'm going to add 2 drops of lime. And of course, this is our Vitality Line essential oil from Young Living, approved by FDA and Health Canada, by the way. And I'm going to give that a quick stir. Just get the oils blended in with the drink itself. I'm simply going to garnish with an orange. There you go. Mandarin Vodka Soda. Okay, so last up, I have one more of my favorites for you. It's called Lavender Lemon Fizz. And you guessed it, it's made with vodka. I'm going to add my large ice cube to my rocks glass. Then I'm going to do 1.5 ounces of vodka and pour it over the ice cube. You guessed it, to chill the vodka as it goes into the glass. I'm going to top this with just about 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, just to add a little bit of sweetness. I'm just doing 1/4 ounce of my 1 ounce jigger. And then I'm going to top up with soda. The soda water, again, I'm pouring that over the large ice cube so it chills as it goes into the glass. And now I'm going to add 3 drops lemon and 2 drops lavender. And these are both the Vitality Oils Plus line from Young Living, and they are approved from Health Canada and the FDA for ingestion. I'm going to give that a little quick stir because your oils are sitting on the top. You want it to blend in with the vodka and the soda and the simple syrup, get that all going on together. Now, of course, you can make this drink without the 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. That's fine too. And I'm going to garnish with an orange, and you have your summer Lavender Lemon Fizz. I hope you've enjoyed these drinks. You have to try them. They actually are really fantastic. Surprisingly enough, my husband came up with most of these recipes. He's pretty good. I think I'll keep him. Okay, to get your Vitality Oils from Young Living, go to this website right here. And you're going to want to ask more questions, so please reach out to me. I love to answer questions and like to hear what your thoughts are. And go ahead and tell me if you have a subject you'd like me to cover. I love hearing it. I'm going to do these videos anyway. Might as well get subjects you want to know about. And of course, please know your oil company. You have to choose 100% therapeutic grade oils. Every bottle, every time. Not every company is the same. Okay, so thank you for watching. And if you like what I'm doing, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell. That will remind you of the next video that comes up. And you don't want to miss another video. These are totally cool. All right, until then, stay safe and happy oiling.